Welcome to another unboxing video. Today, we are going to unbox a brand new Insignia portable air conditioner, model NSAC10PWH9C, 10,000 BTU. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. These are the following features of Insignia portable AC. First, its 3-in-1 design, air conditioner, dehumidifier and fan. Keeps your room comfortable. Next, it has a 10,000 BTU, pool standard rooms up to 450 square feet, programmable timer and remote control, conveniently adjust settings. Digital controls with LED display, are easy to use. And the last, it has auto on or off for hassle-free use. This will works with sliding and vertical rise, double hung windows. This is the dimension. 32.7 by 17.4 by 13.4 inches. And weighs 55.1 pounds or 25 kilos. Now, let us open the box and check what's inside. This is the exhaust nozzle plus the exhaust hose. This is the remote control, plus the quick setup guide. This is the window seal plate assembly. And now, presenting the Insignia portable air conditioner 10,000 BTU. This is the power button, press once to switch on. It has 3 mode, cool, fan and dry. For speed, you can choose from high, medium or low. That's it for our unboxing video of the brand new Insignia air conditioner, model NSAC10PWH9C 10,000 BTU. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.